was kind of looking at all the software I was creating back in the day. I had like timetable application, and by the way, this was using Visual Basic. I have some web stuff here. I was going through all the stuff. I designed even a farm manager. I can't open this app now because it's in Visual Basic and it's not in exe, like it's not executable, so you have to compile it. I don't have Visual Basic lying around. This is me learning Java. This is one of my price software that I did. It's an inventory software management system that is as at 2005. Some people were like, how can you have 20 years experience? So that's what I have there. So this is I think this computerized pharmaceutical control. This is electronic payment manager. This is as at 2005. I was just spilling out software. I think this is one of my first job I did. This is my application I wrote to one of the first place I started working at Apple Choice. You can look at that online. I was just going through a lot of stuff here. This registration server I wrote quite a lot of software. Yeah, I remember this software. This QPL manager. This is supposed to be a petroleum stuff, kind of. What do we have here? CUP. What's CUP? I don't know what that is. Okay, I also was learning some hacking stuff back in the day. So this was when I was learning data, structure. This is when I was teaching myself stuff. For people that don't know, I actually taught myself most of the programming language I know. This was when I was learning Java and the rest. This is when I was doing SQL. I built a simple calculator back in 2004. Yeah, I also built some school manager application. So I sent myself all these things so that in case I can't find access to them. Back then we used to use disk, compact disk. So most times I use email as a form of a way to save all my stuff that I do. This is some hacking stuff. It's assembly language, basic stuff, and things like that. Hacking is very expensive. This QBasic, yeah, QBasic. So this QBasic executable file, meaning once you open it, this is QBasic 4. Once you have it opened, you can run QBasic code there. And these are my pictures. I guess you guys want to see how I look like when I was in high school, or rather when I was in college. Let me show you how I was when I was in college. So I don't know if it will be clear. It's not kind of clear. So this is me when I was back in the day. That is me. This is me with some friends. Guess where is this? This is Yabatek. For those people that know Yabatek, that is Yabatek. And yeah, that is it. I was just going through my stuff. So this is Python. This is when I started learning Python. 2004. That's Python. By the way, this email does not even exist anymore. So I sent this to myself from my second mail. I tried to go inside this mail and for some reason Yahoo has discontinued it. That's all. I can't get them. I'm sure there are quite a lot of important things right there. I wish I could show you guys this software. I wish I could show you guys. I can still remember the way the software looks like. Okay, I think this is the software. I have the exe here for this software, but I don't know if it will open. I think I have Wine installed. Let me see if it will work. I have Wine installed. Let me open Wine. Do I have Wine here? Oh, Wine is in my second laptop. So I'm supposed to do Wine and do something like this, but I don't have Wine installed. But let me know if you want to see this app running, so I'll post it in my second video.